Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Hrfz Rain Skin Tag Removal Serum. Skin tags are one of the most embarrassing and unsightly problems on the skin. The serum reduces the amount of oil needed to treat the problem. The serum causes the skin to form a scab, and white blood cells to surge into the area, to promote healing. Most people visit their dermatologist to treat this type of blemish. Skin Tag Removal Serum is rich in natural ingredients. It only takes a few drops to get started. Everybody has a part of their body they wish they could change. Surprisingly, many people are unhappy with their skin. While some people would love to erase a wrinkle or a pimple. Although skin tags and moles may seem harmless, they could indicate a more severe condition. Moles, or darkened patches of skin, are tiny, fleshy growths that hang from the skin. Skin tags can be a breeding ground for germs that can cause illness. Skin tags and moles can also become cancerous. It is essential to keep an eye on their growth and to have them removed if necessary. You can easily remove skin tags by sterilizing the area with hydrogen peroxide or alcohol. This will reduce the chance of infection. Next, use a sterilized needle to pierce the skin tag. To numb the area, some people prefer to apply ice before piercing. Apply pressure to the area until the bleeding stops. Bandage the affected area until it heals. It effectively removes skin tags and warts from any part of your body. This potent serum is made from ancient, all-natural ingredients. It is rich in antioxidants that are good for your skin. It is also believed to improve wrinkle appearance and fine lines. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.